7 of the best chefs in the Philippines in one dining event. I mean, it couldn't get any better than this. We attended the Pork and Spoon 5-star gastronomy held at Cucina in Marco Polo, Ortigas. So this is not your typical buffet, as I've mentioned. Best pork dishes from 7 of the best chefs in the Philippines. I definitely did not take anything for granted. So I tasted talaga every single dish. Starting with Chef Nino of Nino Fusion. Umpisa pa lang, I was super happy na. Super clever and flavor bomb pork appetizers. Love both the sinuglaw and the dinuguan appetizers. Of course, one of the highlights of any buffet is the lechon. And Chef Kel's lechon is one of the best I've ever had. Crispy lechon skin, super tender na laman. Another dish that I enjoyed is Chef Edward's version of putot dinuguan. Sobrang clever ng dish kasi he used blood sausage. Love the textures and captured niya talaga yung lasa ng dinuguan. Another highlight was Chef Charles 8-hour smoked pork ribs. The actual pork was tender and succulent, as in minimal chewing required. Also love the actual taste. Chef Kalal prepared for us dry papaitan tacos and birria ramen na super interesting. Non-pork dishes from Chef Rex, native chicken halang-halang, and kalderetang kambing. Took advantage kasi minsan lang tayo makakain ng kambing. And of course, to cap off the night is Chef Zara's ice cream. I got all of her 5 flavors. I enjoyed all 5, pero ang favorite ko is the pomodoro and the taho. Thank you so much to Marco Polo Ortigas for having us. It was truly a gastronomical experience and what an honor. Pagdating sa life, eat choy!